Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today it's all Aviation here, and if you guys are excited for the video, it's my first NG model unboxing of the United Airlines Boeing 757-200 Her Art Here, New York, New Jersey livery. So I've been waiting about 3 weeks for this thing to come. I ordered it off at EzToys. I'll leave a link down to it below. So if you are excited for this, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. That would help out a lot. So this is in 1 to 400 scales, it says down there, and this detail looks amazing. So let's open this up and see what we got inside. This is my first NG model also, by the way. I didn't know. So here's the box. Put that to the back, and then here we go. We got the model. Let's put the tripod down a bit. So it is packed actually very nicely. You got a little piece of plastic on the top, and the plastic on the top, and there's the model and the some styrofoam. Let's take this out. Packaged very nicely. I'd actually say this is packaged better than Gemini jets. Alright, holy cow. Look at all that detail. My god, look at that. Got the Earth globe, Statue of Liberty head, the new tail, engines, wingtips. That model looks awesome. Alright, well, let's go over a couple things in the model. So one, I love the detail. This is they made 2 of these. This is my favorite one out of the 2. So in the back here you got the new United tail, and then you got Statue of Liberty with some bridges and some buildings that you see there. Registration is November. Let's see, registration is November 14102. You also got the globe, Earth globe here. Make sure you have some more houses, residential area. That's supposed to represent New Jersey, I think. And then you have rolling landing gear, and the detail on the wing, flap detail, emergency exits, Wi-Fi bulb, wingtips. And on the bottom of the model you have landing gear covers, a hole if you need to stand, detail on the back, cargo doors. Very nice model. Well, that's about it for this video, guys. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video that I have coming out for you. So enjoy. This is All Aviation signing off for now. Bye.